Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm gonna do the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. So we are having just a single medium impact news in USD, which will be a point of concern for the market. So I'm not expecting the price to be much volatile today. So let's move to the charts. So this is the monthly chart of Euro USD, and the price was having equal lows. The price swept these equal lows and broke this high. This gave us a strong low. The price reacted from this strong low but couldn't break this high. Rather, it broke below this strong low. This gave us a bearish bias into the monthly time frame. So after breaking the strong low, the price retraced back to this zone over here where the candle had taken the high of the previous monthly candle, making this a strong zone of reaction. The price reacted from this strong zone and moved into the downward side but couldn't break below all these equal lows. Rather, it swept it. This gave a bullish push into the market. So there is nothing more to see into the monthly. Let's move to the weekly charts. So this is the weekly chart, and we can see that this candle was responsible for the bearish move into the market, and it was unmitigated. So the price tapped this unmitigated candle and moved into the downward side. Currently, we have swept these lows and the price moved into the upward side. So let's move to the dailies now. So this is the daily chart, and we can clearly see that the price had swept the previous low and moving into the upside direction. But what is the point of being concerned here is that the price is being reluctant to go into the higher direction in this area. So most likely we'll be looking for the price to break a strong order flow and then move into the downward direction. So let's move to the 4 hours now. So this is the 4-hour chart, and we can see that the price was having strong lows right here, but nothing is clear yet. So I'll be moving into 1 hours now. So this is the 1-hour chart, and we can see that this was the strong low which was being followed by the market, which took the low of the market and moved into the upside direction. The price retraced back to this area over here and moved into the upside direction, which I had explained in my previous video. If you want to get the detail of the previous video, please click right here to watch it. So, the price reacted from this zone, and most likely this is our strong zone. The first zone for the target if you are going to sell right here. And if the price breaks it, most likely I'll be happy to see if we are going to break this strong low right here. And if the price breaks this strong low, I'll be anticipating the price to move into the downward direction and take these equal lows. So for now, let's move to the 15 minutes for a detailed picture for today's trade. So this is the 15-minute chart, and we can see that the price is still in the Asia session, and most likely we are going to move into this POI right here and move into the upward side. If not, I'll be happy to see the price to react into this zone and move into the upward side. If the price fails to react into the upward side from this zone right here, I'll be waiting for the flip zone and will enter the trade into the bearish side from this zone right here. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.